Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get screen captures sound on pressing the PrtSc, that is the print screen keyboard button in Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So before proceeding, just open your web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link in the video description too, and after going to this website link, you will find one file right here named as print screen sound. So you need to download this file. So how to download it? You can see on the right side here as a download button. When you click on it, you can see here direct download. Just click on this direct download. Wait for a few seconds and you will see a pop-up message to save the file. So as I've already downloaded it from before, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download it. So after that, after downloading this file, what you need to do is just go to the folder where it is being downloaded. So you can see here, just double left click it to extract the file since it's a zip file. Now you can see your folder. Just open this folder. Now here you will get three different files, right? So the first option you can see here, add snapshot sound. So this will add an option of snapshot in the sound settings, and if you want to remove it later after, if you don't need, then you can just use this second file to remove this snapshot sound options. And the third one is I've added a audio sound of a screenshot. So how you can edit in the snapshot sound options. So firstly, just double left click it to run the add snapshot sounds. Click on yes, click OK. Now the add snapshot sound has been added. So let's find out whether it is added or not. Just you can see here on the right bottom, you can see a speaker like icon. Just right click it, and now here you can see different open sound settings. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you can see here sound control panel. Now under this option you can see here sounds, right? Just click on it. Now you can see below tons of options. Just scroll down. Now here you will see a snapshot. So select it. Now below here you can see tons of sounds that you can add, which are already available in your Windows computer. So if you want to add a third-party sound, you can see here browse. Just click on browse. Locate to the folder where you saved that file. Since I have saved in the download file, so you can see here. Just go to the file where you have saved this snapshot. Just select it. Click on open. It will get added to the sound list. So you can see a snapshot. Once your all settings are done, just click on apply. Click on OK. Now let us test if we can get a sound by pressing the PrtSc on our computer keyboard or not. So now let's test it by pressing the print, that is the print screen or the PrtSc. You can see on the right top corner the button that is written as PrtSc. Definitely you can see on any computer keyboard, whether you are using a desktop computer keyboard or whether using a Windows laptop, still you can see the same options. So just let us press the PrtSc keyboard button. So definitely you can hear some capturing sound, and once again let me press it. So in your laptop, if it does not work just by pressing the PrtSc, then there will be one extra button written as FN. Just click that and hold, and together just click on print screen in your computer in your Windows laptop, so you can get the screen captured sound now. So in this way you can get screen capture sound on pressing the PrtSc keyboard button in Windows computer very easily. So if you want to remove it again, just head over to the folder which you have downloaded. So you can see here, when you click on this second file, that is when you double left click on it, now just click on yes. Now the registry file will get removed automatically. So this is a method to remove. If you don't need it again, then you can just select this second option, remove snapshot sound, then it will delete the option which you have added before, and it will also remove the sound file which you have added automatically. So in this way you can get screen captured sound on pressing the PrtSc keyboard in Windows computer very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.